Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear data on UC Browser for mobile. If you're looking to free up some space or improve your browsing experience, clearing your browser data can help. So, let's get started. First, open up your UC Browser on your mobile device. Next, tap on the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines. Now in the menu and tap on icon Settings. This will open the Settings menu where you can adjust various options. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for a section called Clear Records. This is where you can manage your browser data. Tap on Clear Records, and you'll be given several options to choose from, including cookies, forms, browsing history, cache. You can choose the types of data you want to clear. If you want to remove all your browsing history, cookies and cache, simply check those boxes. Once you've selected the data you want to clear, just tap Clear, and your browser will delete the selected data. And that's it. You've successfully cleared the data on your UC browser. Doing this every so often can help keep your browser running smoothly and protect your privacy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.